Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 2. During a medical checkup of 35 students of a class, their weights were recorded as follows. See, these are the weights and this is the number of students. Draw a less than type OSIV for the given data. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph and verify the result by using the formula. So, here first drawing a less than type OSIV, that is the first work. Hence, obtain the median weight from the graph. From the graph, we should find the median weight. This is the second work. And verify the result by using the formula. This verification is the third work. So, here we need to understand that we should do 3 tasks for this question. So, here let us start one by one. First one is here. Given weight in kg is given less than 38, less than 40, less than 42. So, this is what? Less than cumulative frequency, we can say, class intervals, whatever it is. So, here 0, 3, 5, 9, see they go on increasing, and that less than 38, 0, less than 43, this 3 includes less than 38 also. So, less than 42, 5, this 5 includes less than 40 and less than 38 also. That means, here we need to understand that this data is cumulative frequency. This is cumulative frequency. So, here we need to find class intervals and also frequency. So, here 2 things are there in pending. Now, let us write here class intervals and also frequency. Here the difference is 2. So, we can maintain the same difference. So, let us write here 36 to 38. Same way 38 to 40, because for finding OSIV, the class intervals are to be continuous. So, 38, 38 to be matched here. Same way this is 40 to 42 and this is 42 to 44. Now, here let us write the frequency from cumulative frequency. Let us write 0 as it is here. Now, here you see 3 minus 0 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 5 is 4, 14 minus 9 is 5. Now, to draw OSIV, x coordinate, y coordinate are required. Let us write x comma y. 38 comma cumulative frequency, we should take these two. So, 38 comma 0, 38 comma 0, 40 comma 3. Now, let us draw the graph by plotting these points. Here let us take this as x axis and it has y axis. Where they intersect, x axis and y axis, this point can be taken as O, that is origin 0, 0. Now here let us observe the points. Here you see 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. Here we need to verify whether first they are continuous or not. See 38, 38, 40, 40. So everywhere it is equal. So it is continuous. So we can draw the OSU for it now. So we observe these values 38, 40, 42, 46, 44. These values are to be plotted on x axis. Those are called class boundaries. So here on x axis we should take class boundaries. On y axis we should take cumulative frequencies. Now we are going to write the class boundaries, for which let us observe here. See 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, they can be taken on x axis. But here you see, from the graph obtain the median weight is to be found. So here let us take the values like this. See starting value is 38. So here we can take 38. This I am leaving for 39 and it is for 40. This one leaving, this one is 42. Here it is 44 and here this one is 46. This is 48. It is 50 and this is 52. Now let us observe y values. Here you see 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. So here let us take each centimeter as 2 units. So here I am taking this as 2, 4, 6. Now let us plot these points. First one is 38, 0. 38, 0. See here. This is 38 and 0 itself. So let us take this as the first point. This is 38, 0. So here I am writing 38, 0. Right? And the second point is 40, 3. See here, this is 40, this is 40 and here it is 3. You see, observe carefully, this is 2, this is 4, the mid value is 3. So 40, 3 on this 40, here observe very carefully. See, this is 40, it is 2, between 2 and 4 3 will come. So here this is 40, 3. This point indicates 40, 3. Right. Now let us see next point. 42, 5. 42, 5. Here 42 is there. And here you see this is 4 and 6. So mid value is 5. So on this 42, this point. This is, here you see this side 42 and this side is 5. So it is 42, 5. Next point is 44, 9. 44. This is 44. And this is 9. So this is 44, 9. This point is 44, 9. Right? Now next one is 46, 14. 46, 14. See here, this is 46, and here see from this side this is 14, this is 46 comma 14. Observe here, this is 46 and here this is 14. Next point is 48 comma 28. 48 comma 28. See, here it is. This is 48. Here you see, this is 28. So this point is 48 comma 28. Next point is 50 comma 32. 50 comma 32. See, here is 50 and here is 32. So this point is 50 comma 32. And last point is 52 comma 35. This is 52 and here this is 35. So here it is, this is 35. This is 52 comma 35. Let us verify again. See, this is 52 and here it is, and from here this is in between 34 and 35, 36, 35. Now here see, all the points are plotted. Clear? Right. Now before joining them, we need to understand a small thing, that is, here you see this cumulative frequency total is 35, that is called n. So here I am writing, this is n, n is 35. So we need to find n by 2, n by 2 is 35 by 2 is 17.5. Now here this will be the ordinate, this 17.5 will be the ordinate, means y coordinate, that means y coordinate. So for which you should find the corresponding x coordinate to find the median. So here for 17.5, let us see in the graph. See here, 17.5 will come here, right? So it is 17.5 will come here. So this space between 0 to 48, 46 to 48. So let us draw it using, let us join the points using scale, because to get the median exactly. So let us join only those 2 points with scale. This 46 and this 48. Remaining all points can be joined freehand. Clear? Now here let us write the scale. Scale on x axis, 1 centimeter. Here I am taking 1 centimeter as, see here 1 unit, 38 here, 40 here, means 39 here. So it is 1 centimeter is 1 unit. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is, here observe 0, 2, 4, 6. So 1 centimeter is 2 units. 2 units. And here as 38, 39, here it is 1 unit, here it is direct jump is there. So we can write here kink, we can write kink. Now here with this graph work is over. Now the task is that we need to find median using this graph. Here see, observe 35 can be taken as sum of the frequencies, that is n. So here we can write n is equal to 35. So n by 2 will be 35 by 2 is 17.5, right? This 17.5 can be taken on y axis, that is called ordinate or y coordinate. Here you observe carefully. Here you see this is 16, this is 18, this mid value, this is 17. We need here 17.5. So here let us observe carefully. This middle line, it indicates 17, right? So this is 16, this is 18. So this each is, each value is, each small line indicates 0.2. Clear? So it is 17.2. First line 17.2, 17.4, 17.6. So 17.5 will come in the middle. Here this position is 17.5. This is 17.5. From here we need to draw a line which intersects the graph. See here, this is 17.5. So let us see where it intersects. See, from this 17.5, here I am drawing a line which will be in between 17.5 and 7.6. So this middle, this line, observe carefully, which intersects the graph at this point. Let us find out the corresponding x value. Observe here, I am moving it down. See the corresponding x value. This is the median. Let us find out how much is this. This is 46, this is 48. So it indicates 47. This is exactly in between 46 and 47. So this value is 46.5. This is 46.5. This is nothing but the median. So median is 46.5. Is it clear? See, you can understand it now. From 17.5, since here n by 2 is 17.5. So from 17.5 we have drawn a line where it intersects the graph, and the corresponding value on the x axis, the x coordinate, is the median, right? Now let us verify this one using the formula now. Now we know the formula of the median. Median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into H. Right. Now let us find all these values from this table now. Since n by 2 is 17.5, in the cumulative frequency, which value is just more than the 28? So let us round up this one. So here, this is the median class. This is the median class, in which this lower class interval means lower class limit will be the L. So here L is 46 and n by 2. N by 2 is, here n by 2 is, as we have seen, 17.5. And CF is, see, in this median class, the preceding value, this can be taken as CF and this can be taken as the F. In the median class, the preceding cumulative frequency is the CF. So CF is 14 and here F is the frequency of the median class, that is 14. F is 14 and H. H, you see here the difference. Difference is 2, that can be taken as H. So H is equal to 2. Now let us substitute these values in the formula and let us verify here what we are going to get now. So median is L. L is 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus CF is 14 by F is 14 into H. H is 2. Let us write 46 as it is. 17.5 minus 14 is 3.5 by 14 into 2. Let us cancel 2 and 14, so 7 times. So it is 46 plus 3.5 by 7 is 0.5. So 46 plus 0.5 is 46.5. Here you see this is in kg, so we can write kg. So we got the median as 46.5. Let us verify this value with the graph. In the graph also we got 46.5. Here we got 46.5. Let us mention the same. So here we can write from the graph median is equal to 46.5 kg. From the formula also we got the same. Clear? Hence verified. With this problem gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.